Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Beebeecraft unboxing for you guys. They contacted me and let me pick out some products. So I wanted to go ahead and show you. And the first thing I got was this package of beads. Absolutely love that. I love how they package it because you get all these like really neat cases, and once it's empty you can just refill it. And that's the cardboard that was on it. I got these two threads with it. I got some charms as well. I've got it's a tree, kind of reminds me of peacock, but it's a tree. You've got the hand here. We've got some spacers. Oh, focus. There you go. We've got another one with the tree of life. And we've got some hearts. And the cat is falling over. She's knocking everything over there. We got some feathers as well. And I got the nylon thread in purple, because of course, purple. Let's see, which side did I open before? It is 100 yards, and it's the 0.8 millimeters. And it's just like that. So of course I had to get purple. Then I got this. It is a lobster claw kit. You've got, which I'll take it out of the bag. And I love the bags that they put these in. You can use them for other things if you want. But you've got the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes of lobster claws. And then you've got the O-rings right here. So I thought that was really neat. And I love the case that this comes in as well. So we got that. And the last thing I got from Beebeecraft was this. It's like imitation leather fabric. And I will show you the different pieces. I believe there's 10 in here, but I'm not 100% sure. So you've got this really glittery pink one, and it's just the mermaid fabric. You've got the rainbow colored, again, very glittery. You've got hearts here. Everything's upside down. Let me turn that around. You've got this beautiful one. I love these colors, the pastels. We've got this one, which is also very much my aesthetic, the darker colors here. Love that. And they are all very glittery. You've got the greens and blues here. Let's see. We've got just the pastel here, almost like watercolors on this one. We've got the neon colors here. We've got another thing of hearts. Everything's like upside down, no matter which way I turn this stuff. And then you've got this glitter upon glitter one as well. So I loved all of these. Let me see. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's 10 in here. Okay. The cat is right there again. You guys are probably gonna miss her when I go back home. You guys are gonna miss having her in the videos. But yeah, so that is what I got from Beebeecraft. I was super excited. I thought the Little Mermaid sheet things, you could use these for journal covers, like the little, what are they called? The traveler's journals, or the kind that you use. I don't know what exactly they're called, like the TNs or something. The ones that you put a rubber band or a elastic or whatever to put over the top. I thought those would be perfect. Nope, let go. Go away. I thought those would be perfect for that, so that's why I got those. I loved these items for the dangles. I thought I could use those for that, and that is why I got all of these. So thank you, Beebeecraft, for the items. I really appreciate them. And yeah, you guys, I will have all of the links down below so you can go check these out if you like them. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.